Okay, so this is going to be how you would make your YouTube once you have your presentation in Google Slides done. All right, so here's my presentation. So I have 4 slides, and I'm sorry, I have 5 different slides, and I've pushed already on Screencastify. Once you download Screencastify, it would be up here in your toolbar with that little pink arrow thing, and you click on this. I already have it going, but if you click on it, hopefully it will still film. I don't know if it will open again since it's already open. Oh, well, there it is. Okay, so a box comes up, and it's already telling me my desktop's being recorded, so I can't um, do much with that. Uh, I can't show you how that works. Just follow the directions on it. It's not that difficult. All right. Trying to get rid of that box. Okay, so the box is gone. All right, so now over here in the left-hand corner, it's telling me that it's recording, and here are options that you can do. You can zoom in and all that kind of stuff. So you have that one video on the initial Google presentation slide on screen about Screencastify with that video that tells you how to do the recording. No, that was Google Slides video. I'm sorry. But I gave you that video in emails. So I sent you an email yesterday, and it had links to how to use the Screencastify, and then also how to make your YouTube. All right. So and that will explain all these different features. All right. So what I want to do now is start recording the presentation. Okay. So on here, I'm going up to in Google Slides. I'm going to go up to present. All right, and it's loading it. All right, and so I would go ahead and make my recording. Hi, this is Miss Kuby. Here's one of my favorite things to do. This is me riding my bike in Pinckney Island Refuge down near Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, where I lived and taught for 1 school year. Okay. Before I became a teacher, I was with AmeriCorps, and AmeriCorps is a volunteer organization. I volunteered for 1 year, and I worked with high school and middle schoolers and taught them all about nature, and that's what actually led me into teaching. So I enjoyed working with students. I loved working outside um, with nature and showing them nature and getting out there in the creek and testing it and collecting benthics. That's what we're doing in the left-hand corner. And I'm showing them how to identify insects in the creek, and that's how we can judge the health of the creek. And then we're planting trees. So we did lots of things outside, and I just loved it and led me into being a science teacher. Okay, once I became a science teacher, when I was working down in Hilton Head, um, I had an environmental club. And one thing that we did at Pinckney Island Refuge Park, there we built a butterfly garden. We built a butterfly garden. So we put in plants that butterflies liked, kept watering it, weeding it, and eventually butterflies came. And the butterflies, part of the food chain, and so that attracted more birds, and birds attracted more animals, and we just got, just trying to help out the wildlife refuge, keeping all the different diversity going. Okay, it wasn't just work. We also did kayaking, and so this is us kayaking on Broad Creek, and we also just rode our bikes around the refuge and looked at nature that was there. It was a very diverse place to look at nature. So some of the things that we would see, alligators. These are photos I took myself. So there are a lot of alligators there, and lots of birds. Like you see that ibis, right? You see the egret right there, and armadillos, foxes, lots of different things. It was really a lot of fun. I wish, there was a place like that around here more to go and visit all that different wildlife. But that's a little bit about me. So that's it. Okay. So okay. So I don't know how to end this presentation. There it goes. It ended. All right. So now I finished my recording. So I go over here and